Weep, Grana, Weep, Nini Bong. This is Ben, and I'm going to be opening Airazor. I can't remember if there's like 2 R's or just 1 R. Not sure. She's a deluxe. When she used to be smaller, she was like the same size as Rat Trap before as a basic. This one, but I guess she got an upgrade because they needed what, more wingspan? And I know they recolored her into silver. Oh, the Eagle Silverbolt. But that's from Beast Wars 2, the Japanese version. The Japanese one. Okay, alright. Okay. Oh man, 2H fell again. Nice bird. Okay. Alright, there. 2H can stand over here. And there's instructions. And let's check out the card. Ooh, look at the missiles. Cool. Ah, Optimus Prime again! I want Beast Wars. They're all G. Are they all going to be G1? I've got 2 already. Wow. Feet over here. Okay, let's set you free. Wow. Okay, it's not complicated. It's just a lot. I need sharper scissors. Oh, actually, these are pretty okay. Nope. And let's get some things. This is weird. I don't remember her having these things. Oh, she has like she has like she fires these little missiles come out of her wrists in the show. Maybe that's what this is. One more. There are a lot of these little string things. Everybody's got a problem with this pack. Getting stuck. Massage. Out. Okay, free. Free like a bird. Free bird. You're a tall woman now. Alright. Ah, this is the second wave. She seems much sturdier. Oh my gosh, the face is so good. The face is so good. Oh, I'd like her to be smiling, but I guess they have to be serious. The Japanese version made her into a guy. But, yeah, does that look like a guy to you? Okay, so let's attach these things over here. In the show, she like, it comes out, then it fires. Yeah, I guess both arms. Hexagon. Okay, alright, let's just keep that. I am Airazor. She stoops to conquer. Whoosh. Go up, yeah. Where's my boyfriend? Tigatron. Zoom. Okay, let's transform you. Let's see if we can do this without the instructions. I hope she's easier. Worried about the wing? Wow, it's really packed up. And there's lots of extra things to make it. What is that? Okay, all right. My friend said he had to pop something out to flip it around because it's wrong. Is that real? Uh-oh, this one looks stuck. You had to flip something around that they're supposed to put it in wrong. Is it? No, I don't know. Oh, worried about the plastic. Do not want any stress marks. Hello, why are you not straightened? Oh no, it's a tab thing. Aha! That was a problem. The tab was off. Here, this one works right. Can you see it? The tab over here. But here, the tab's not on the right thing. I have to get it around to the other side. Oh, okay, there it is. It fixed itself. Maybe that was a problem with my friend. Okay, let's transform you. Lady. I guess head goes in. Bird. What the heck? It's all about hiding the head and then putting the bird head out. But What the heck? How's the hinges go with this? Oh dear. Does that turn? Does it look like it turns? It looks like it does. Oh, okay, there. I did it. But up to how much? Okay. That seems okay. Alright, there. The head's in. Lock. Bird lock. Again. What the heck? The wings are like... Okay, now it's not proper. Am I gonna need instructions for this too? Come on, that's not. I'm a veteran Transformers guy. I should be able to do this. The head's lower. How? Oh, okay. There's like a... Right, readjust it. There to go back. Ta-da! I did it! Holy cow, am I gonna be able to finish this without using the instructions? Okay, it's just this now. It's just this. I can do it. I can do this. How do I transform the legs? Twist? Oh dear, what is this? Okay, maybe I don't have to twist it. If I look at the pictures, I can figure this out. But I'm not. Am I not gonna look at the pictures? I'm almost there. Come on. Okay. So I'm pretty sure we turn this. And okay, this goes like that. What the? This one seems easy, but this one has to be snappish. So if it's like this, it means I just have to get it in there. How? If the arms are out. Okay, this looks like there's space. I'm gonna go like this. No, it's not. Dang. This thing looks like it goes down, but it doesn't. Like that? Like this? No. I mean, it could just be like this. It's just weird. Like that. Airazor, what's happened to you? Fine, let's go look at instructions. Okay, sorry. I said fine too loud. Okay. Right, correct, the tab, the thing, the up, the head, the turn. What's this? I pulled the head up. Okay, hide done. Chest done, yes. Arms. What the heck happens to the arms? The arms go diagonal? How does that go? Like that? Okay, if you say so. Does it fill the void over there? Oh, there must be little grooves for it to go. Okay. Alright, so I'm right. We flip this. Why does the tail go like that? Okay, right. So it's like this. And then these go what? Turn? Oh no. Okay, I'm right. Okay. This. Okay, there's flat. And it's like this now. And then it goes up. And it goes like that. What? Or just like this? Okay, so this is what the groups are for. See that thing? It fits inside there. I just okay. There. Okay. Wow, I actually noticed that. I could have figured that out. But I didn't. Doofus me. Okay. Still funky on the arms. Oh, all these guys are all challenging. So that's the bird way. The arms are like turned. That's the one that I'm. Yeah. Just goes like that. And the old one is just like straight. Anyway, I guess that's Airazor. Still needed the instructions. I wanna fix the arms more. How did I? Let's check it again. Right down. The hexagon is outside. Yeah, the hexagon is outside. Turn. The ridges are on the outside. Oh, it goes inside. No. Punches a hole into the thing. It goes inside the hollow over here. I guess. This looks right. Okay. So I guess that little groove thing is for the arms. I don't know if you can see that over there. Weird, but okay. I'm not just less articulation with a bird. Let's see the squatting mess. Oh well. She's still cool. Oh, this was supposed to fit there. Okay. Bird has articulation, and the mouth opens. The mouth opens. I mean, wait, birds do not roar. Okay, I guess that's it. So, she's in beast mode. Goodbye. See ya.